Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a shape fill color using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and this is my shape and I will change the shape fill color. Click on the shape and select and now click right button and here you will find this properties option. This properties dialog box now open. Also you can open this, click on this right side of top properties option and this is fill color option. Click on this down arrow and this is default fill color. Also it says this one and select fill color. Also you can select here more color and this color pen and this is define custom color and I'll use this fill color and select OK and see this fill color now added and also I'll add outline color, this one, and select here solid line and see this. In this way you can change a shape fill color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.